What you'll need: 1 jar of peanut butter, 1 jar of jam or jelly of your choice, at least 2 slices of bread, a butter knife, a plate or durable paper towel. Prepare your plate or paper towel by selecting a clean specimen of your choice. Lay it down on your table, lap, or counter. Retrieve 2 slices of bread from your bread cache by any means necessary. Place them face up on your plate or paper towel. With your butter knife at the ready, select your jam or jelly from the refrigerator and peanut butter from your cupboard or wherever you may keep your peanut butter, jam, and jelly. Remove the lids from both the peanut butter and jam and jelly receptacles. With even strokes, use your butter knife to dip, scoop, and spread each sweet condiment across the slices of bread. We recommend peanut butter on one slice and jam and jelly on the other slice. With the peanut butter and jam jelly spread across evenly, pick up one or both slices and place them together with the condiment side facing one another. Setting your ready-made sandwich on your plate or paper towel, use your butter knife to cut the sandwich diagonally for the optimal flavor profile. Enjoy. Get 2 slices of bread.
I have 2 slices of bread.
Open peanut butter. Spread peanut butter. Put lid back on. Open jelly. Spread jelly on bread. Put lid back on jelly. Put together. Gather your ingredients, your favorite type of sandwich bread or condiment holding element. The peanut butter your mama used to use didn't have a mama, or now some kind of organic weirdo? Pick your poison. There's a ton of them. Poison is a metaphor for peanut butter. Legal disclaimer. Jelly, jam, marmalade, etc. Find something fruity and spreadable. Don't forget your non-edibles to support your efforts. A plate, a couple of spreading implements like knives, a napkin, or 5. And a dedicated workplace.
A plate. Okay.
Number 2, the base. Take your plate, take 2 pieces of sandwich bread, and place them both on the plate side by side, laying down. The secret, depending on how much you love peanut butter, Spread half a cup or more on both pieces of bread until it covers the entire face corner to corner. This little trick will make it so the jelly doesn't crystallize on one side of your sandwich in case you are taking the sandwich on a journey. The sweet now apply the... Now apply the fruity something or other. I like to take a spoon, have a good mound of jelly on it, plop it on one piece of bread, the peanut butter covered side, and use the bottom of the spoon to spread the jelly to all corners of that piece. Very carefully pick up one of the slices of bread and lay it on top of the other, condiment sides facing each other. This is not an open face situation. I'm not going to make living cultural or religious assumptions here. Get the beautiful creation you just made inside your body somehow. Go to the place where you keep your food. Check and make sure you have bread, peanut butter, and some kind of fruit jam or jelly. If you don't have any of these ingredients, go to the store and purchase. Get all ingredients on the table in front of you. Get a utensil with the ability to spread like a butter knife or spatula. Get 2 slices of average size loaf of bread out on the counter. Open the jar of peanut butter and jelly/jam. With 1 piece of bread, scoop with your utensil about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and spread evenly on the face of the bread. On the second piece of bread, scoop with your utensil about 1 tablespoon of jam jelly and spread evenly on the face of the bread. On the second piece of bread, pick up the 2 pieces of bread and bring together the peanut butter face and the jam jelly face so they become one. I never said
They're now one. It is one piece. Where does one begin and the other end? I don't know, because they are one.
Identify bread in the cupboard, not the wheat bread. That's the wrong one. Remove bread from cupboard. Remove twisty tie from plastic around the bread. Remove 2 slices from the bread loaf that is remaining in the plastic. If bread is not pre-sliced, then you have bought the wrong bread and will not be having a PB&J. Go back to the store and we'll try this again later. Remove peanut butter from cupboard. Remove jelly from cupboard. Open a jar of peanut butter. Open a jar of jelly or substitute. Remove knife from drawer, dip knife in peanut butter. Remove knife from peanut butter. Spread knife so that the peanut butter is smoothed along 1 piece of bread. Now clean the knife or get a new knife. Using the clean knife or the new knife, do a dip plus scoop into the jelly. Remove knife from jelly with scooped jelly on top. Spread knife so that the jelly is smoothed along the other piece of bread. Repeat steps 14 through 16 until achieving desired amount of jelly. Placing your hands on the naked sides of bread, put the bread pieces together so that peanut butter and jelly are touching in the middle.
What's the naked side? The naked side.
Leave the mess for someone else to clean up. Insert sandwich into mouth, an appropriate amount for you to take in your mouth without choking or looking like a pig. Bite, chew, repeat steps 20 through 23 until sandwich is consumed. Repeat steps 1 through 23 if you are still hungry. Before making your delicious PB&J, perform various hand stretches to prevent cramps. You will need the following items and ingredients: a plate of any size, a butter knife, a spoon, your favorite container of peanut butter, your favorite jar of jam or jelly, your favorite spread, your favorite bread, 2 slices. Don't be making those triple-decker Sammys. Optional. Toaster. It's optional, so we won't worry about it. Let's make the sandwich. If you would like the bread toasted, now is the time. Place both slices in the toaster, toast them for blah blah blah. Take the bread slices and place them on the plate. Open both the peanut butter and jelly containers. With your right hand, pick up the butter knife, and with your left hand, pick up 1 slice of bread. Dip the knife into the peanut butter jar to get a dollop about the size of a large marble. Spread thoroughly across the slice of bread until it covers all of the bread. Repeat dollops if more peanut butter is desired. Set the slice down on the plate and the knife on the counter. With your right hand, pick up the spoon, and with your left hand, pick up the other slice of bread. Dip the spoon into the jam container and time's up. Lay 2 slices of bread on a clean flat surface. Either a plate or a paper towel are popular options, but any clean flat surface will do. You'll also need a jar of peanut butter, a jar of jam or jelly, and a knife or spoon. Using the knife, you scoop a small amount of jam jelly from the jar onto the face-up side of one of the pieces of bread. Spread the jam jelly using your utensil until the face of the bread is evenly coated. You may add more jam jelly as needed to evenly cover the entire side of the bread slice. Before proceeding to the peanut butter, take a moment to wash off your utensil in your kitchen sink using running water. This prevents leaving traces of jam or jelly in the peanut butter jar, which is the height of rudeness. The reason we begin with the jam is because it washes off more easily and quickly than peanut butter. The latter is oil-based and thus requires hot water and soap to fully remove from the surface of the utensil. Once you have cleaned the jam from your utensil, use it to scoop a small amount of peanut butter onto the face side up of the other slice of bread. Spread the peanut butter on the face of the bread using your utensil until evenly coated as you did with the jam. Add more peanut butter as needed to evenly coat the surface of the bread on the face up side. Once you have accomplished this, carefully place the coated sides of both slices of bread together. This is typically done by flipping one of the slices of bread over onto the other piece. Ensure that the edges of both pieces are aligned with each other as much as possible. This concludes the PB&J tutorial.